Let's get into this smoky, spicy, and meaty shrimp and bacon wrap in a beautiful, soft Greek pita. And stay tuned to the video to see all the tips and tricks and check out the full recipe on cookingwithanali.com. And a happy Cinco de Mayo to everybody. Let's get started. So we'll start by defrosting our peeled shrimps over here, and it's pretty quick. Just put some cold water in a bowl of your frozen shrimps and then just let that thaw. It should take between 15 to 20 minutes, and that is all. Now you have your shrimps all defrosted. Make sure you pat them dry with the help of a kitchen towel or a paper towel, and clean the shrimps in case they're not already clean. Now regardless if you're using peeled or unpeeled shrimp, you want to make sure that you clean the shrimp or devein it. So if you look at the spine of the shrimp, you should not see any black vein, quote unquote, running down the back. And if you do, take that out and then just rinse the shrimp really well. Now for the marination, here is my homemade taco seasoning, which I will link for you down below. Just put a nice spoonful of that with a bit of olive oil and then toss the shrimps really well to coat. Let this marinate while you prepare the rest of the ingredients. Now this is super exciting. This is a double smoked bacon I got from the butcher, and it's truly something else. Now one thing to keep in mind for a great crispy bacon every single time is to start the bacon on a cold pan. That's gonna help slowly render out the fat from the bacon, and it's gonna get a much more crisp and evenly cooked bacon at the end, which all of us want. As the bacon continues to render out its fat, it's gonna turn crispier and crispier, and as that happens, as it shrinks, keep a close eye on it. Turn it every couple of minutes to make sure you get an even level of cook on each side. Now, since some of you know I'm on a trip vacationing in India, I filmed this quite a while ago and I did put up a story on Instagram. So if you did not get a chance to see that, be sure you're on it so you know what's coming next before it drops on YouTube and for all other kinds of behind the scenes. Plus, as a bonus, you'll see what's happening in India right now. This is looking super great now, and we are almost all the way there to finishing the crispiness part of our beautiful bacon strips. I'm happy with this level of doneness, so once you're happy with your bacon, take it out, put it between two sheets of paper towel and pat it dry. Hey, if you guys like to cook, then be sure to hit subscribe to this channel. I have some experience in the restaurant industry, and I hope I can use those skills to bring you these recipes so you can implement them in the best way possible. And it doesn't matter if you're cooking for yourself or for a large party, because I'll show you how to get the food in the freshest and the hottest way possible to the table. That same pan, we don't have to add any more oil. We can drain off the excess bacon fat and leave a bit of it behind, and then place all of our marinated shrimps. That way it's gonna get those beautiful bacon flavors into our shrimp as well, and it's gonna really make it into a great bacon and shrimp wrap. And as some of y'all might already know, shrimps cook super fast, so make sure that you don't let it overcook, don't turn them into bullets, and as soon as they are no longer translucent in the middle, just cut one to check it. Take that out, and let's start assembling our wrap by first heating up some of our Greek pita. Just lightly toast it in a pan. You can even pop it in the oven at 350 for a couple of minutes. These shrimps are looking divine. You can see how juicy they're gonna be. Just take them out on a sheet of paper towel, and we are ready to assemble our wraps. For this wrap, some toothpicks or even skewers would be great to keep it in the shape that we want it to be, because we are gonna load this up. Put some of the guacamole onto your wrap. I'll link the full recipe down below. It's so quick to make. And then place some of your shrimps right down the middle, followed by your bacon. And here is some fresh pico de gallo that I prepped here. It has some tomatoes, onions, green chili, cilantro, and some olive oil in there as well. Just mix that up and then top that over your shrimp or your wrap. Use as much or as little as you want, and then just fold the wrap and secure it with the help of your skewers. And look at how great that's looking. So I want to know what you guys think. Do you love the combo of shrimp and bacon together? I usually don't combine it that often, but I find it pretty delicious. But let me know what you like to pair your shrimp or your bacon with the most. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to smash that like button so people looking for Cinco de Mayo recipes get to see this one. And the whole idea behind the order in which I prepared the bacon first and the shrimp and having everything else prepared is if you're making this for a large party, you can easily just get these wraps from your kitchen to the table and they'll be nice and warm and beautiful just like this every single time. And if you love the combination of bacon with shrimp, then you're gonna love this bacon and shrimp fettuccine alfredo. And for more Mexican inspired recipes, check out this entire playlist. I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.